Hello all. Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy. How to write the letter Th. The second letter Th of T word consonants, Hindi. So let's see how to write it. So very simple one. What we have learned, the first Ta, it's related to it. So just draw a short standing line connected to it. Make a big circle and a sleeping line running over it. So this is Th. You have to give a pressure to T. The first T is just a T. The second one is Th. So this is Th. Let's do it again. Trace a short standing line, connected to it a circle or a round or a zero, and a sleeping line going over it. Yes, this is Th. One more time. Short standing line, connected to it a circle and a sleeping line above it. So this is Th. What is this? Hindi letter Th. Yes. So now let's see what are the different words that start with the letter Th. So this is the first word is Th se thappa. Thappa is the stamp. Th se thappa. Everybody do this. Th se thappa. You should remember the action. Yes. Th se thappa. Th se thand or thanda. Th se tanda. That is being cold. You feel cold. Th se thanda. Cold. Yes. Th se thela. Thela is the cart. The trolley or the cart. You see the vegetable cart, the fruit seller cart. Yes. So that is thela. Th se thela. So what are the three words? Th se thappa, th se thanda, and th se thela. Yes. So these are the different words that start with the letter Th. You have to give the pressure and start and practice the chant while writing. So it makes you to remember, right? So this is Th. And now let's see the tip. That is how to develop the pincer grip. We call it as, this is parents, this is for you to, you can work on your child to have to hold the pencil. This is very simple. We have different words for it, like the pincer grip, the tripod grip, different grips we call it as, but how to develop them. Many kids struggle to hold the pencil. So for this, you have little activities or exercise you can make with your child to do so that they are able to hold the pencil and write the letters comfortably. So the first one is finger scissor. So you can just place some kind of a sponge or even a clay, the play dough what they play generally. So you can just place that in between the two fingers of the child and ask them to press it. So this is finger scissor, we call it as. And then fingertip pinch. So again, you can use, for all these things, you can use a small cloth ball, a soft ball, a Play-Doh, anything you can use. And then make sure it is very soft so that it doesn't hurt the child's fingers. And then the next one is finger pinch. So they have to hold something like this and then they have to do this. Yes. And the next one is power grip. They can hold it, hold the thing and press it. And then flat pinch like this. And then finger spread. You can use a rubber band for this. You can just put the rubber band to the two fingers and ask them to stretch it, stretch to two fingers. And then the finger extension. You can just hold the band, give the rubber band here, and then hold it down and ask them to lift the finger. So this is like a finger extension. They have a stretch. This is all the finger exercises for them. If your child is writing also, you might be hearing that few kids will be giving a complain to the parents that, Mama, my hand hurts when I'm writing. So all this because, of course, when it is more than their limit, and the second thing is their muscles are not strong enough. So you can just make them to do at least weekly once. This makes the muscles stronger. And yes, the finger spread. Give a rubber band again. Ask them to open the fingers like this. And finally, the full grip. Ask them to hold it and press it here. So this is full grip. So these are the things you can try all of them or few of them or one or two. That would really help your child to have a strong finger power. So that, the basic thing expected from them is to write. So holding the pencil is the major thing they have to do. So they'll be doing it in a comfortable way. Hope these exercises help you and your child to really practice and develop their gripping better. Let me meet you in my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And also do let your comments on how does it is really working for you to teach the letters in this way, what we are teaching, and also the tips what we are giving. And if you have any queries on certain things, what to do, how to handle your child, please give in the comments. I would surely address them. Thank you so much. Let me meet you in my next video. Namaste.